Welcome to this quick guide on how to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome. Incognito mode is a great way to browse the internet without leaving a trace of your activity. Whether you want to keep your browsing history private or just need a fresh start, opening an incognito window is simple. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open your Chrome browser. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you have it open, you're ready for the next step. Next, look towards the top right corner of your browser. You will see 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. In this menu, find and click on New Incognito Window. This option will allow you to start browsing privately. When you select it, a new window will pop up with a dark theme and a message indicating that you've gone incognito. This window is designed specifically for private browsing. Once the incognito window is open, you can start surfing the web without worrying about your activity being saved in your browsing history. Any new tabs you open within this window will also be in incognito mode, ensuring that your privacy is maintained throughout your session. For those who prefer shortcuts, there's an easier way to access incognito mode. On Windows, simply press Ctrl+Shift+N. If you're using a Mac, the shortcut is Command+Shift+N. This will instantly open a new incognito window without navigating through the menu. Remember that while incognito mode helps keep your browsing private from others who may use the same device, it doesn't make you completely anonymous online. Your internet service provider and websites can still track your activity. In summary, to open a new incognito window in Google Chrome, 1. Open the Chrome browser. 2. Click on the 3 dots at the top right corner. 3. Select New Incognito Window from the drop-down menu. Now you're all set to browse privately. Enjoy your secure browsing experience and explore the web without leaving any traces behind.